gloss base starts with castor oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E, cap preserve, and the lip pigment that we're trying to achieve. Once we get that blended and incorporated, then we add the Versagel and a little bit of white to reduce the translucent-ish of it. This is a true chocolate gloss, our Pretty Latte. Last goes in whatever glitter we're going to use. In this video, it is the pink starry glitter. All of our products are from tkbtrading.com. This is our cherry brulee. It is a true red gloss. So pretty. It's my second favorite next to Pretty Latte. And this is our Fairy Tales, which is angel wings and a little bit of pink starry glitter. Beautiful. A pretty nude pink. This is our products all bottled up and clean. Please make sure you follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more in-depth tutorials. Thank you, Pretty Tribe.